Dude, all the good shit. Let's go.
Let's go.
So once again, it's just another drifting vlog. We were supposed to go down to RMDC today. Didn't end up going just because not a lot of interest, and we weren't really sure about the snow conditions there. So we're back at our spot again, playing around. We have moved from Japanese cars to European DAS, German engineering. We got Chan's E30, Dante's E46, and my E46. And yeah, Morgan just got a bunch of clips of us tandeming, so I'm gonna toss those in. Alright guys, so thanks for watching so far. Hope you guys enjoyed all that drifting stuff. I think Calvin, oh no, that's not Calvin coming back. So I just got back to our house from our spot that we go sliding at every now and then. We were supposed to go down to RMDC today, which didn't end up happening. Basically, the roads were going to be bad. We didn't want to drive super far, and it was potentially only going to be Calvin and I, so we said no Claire's home today, no RMDC. I ended up going to the gym and just getting some groceries and stuff, and played some Fortnite with Arnell and Chan and Bobby and Calvin. Kind of did some squad games and Mario, and it was dope. Anyways, what I've been doing with 403 Media lately is kind of like changing because as you guys have noticed, I've gone to the every Monday weekly episodes, and I'm going to do my best to just keep that as consistent as possible throughout the whole year. That's my goal, is to do that. And I really want to basically just give you guys super good content, keep you updated with what I'm doing. In terms of 403 Media as a business that I've been running for the last few years, it's still doing that. I'm just putting it a little bit on the side now because I started working at a company called Crazy on Highways as their marketing manager, marketing person. Basically, I do all the marketing. And what Crazy on Highways is a they do diesel tuning, custom diesel tuning for big rigs, for light duty, medium duty trucks. I mean, trucks aren't my passion, but they're still in the automotive world, which I really like, and it's allowing me to do a lot more things marketing wise that I never got to do with 403 Media, or that I hadn't done as like in depth before. And marketing is the industry that I really want to work in. Video production is kind of like my niche in it, but I like to do like all the whole marketing stuff. So that's rad. But it's 8 to 5 every day, and working with the guys there is awesome. I enjoy every day at work, so I'm actually excited to go to work, which is awesome. And yeah, lots of really good opportunities. But so my schedule is 8 to 5 every day, and then I work out every day as well. As some of you know, I went through my whole like knee surgery thing this summer. That's why there wasn't a lot of videos throughout like August and September, and just a few in October. I had a full meniscal transplant, ACL, like the whole full meal deal. I'm not going to be skiing this winter, which kind of sucks, but I kind of took this as an opportunity to get my health in check, and I have lost 20 pounds now in 1.5 months, and the goal is 170, 175, which I think is attainable kind of by like spring. I'd like to get to that, which will be rad, because then I can have my mad muscles summer. Oh, I can't say that seriously. I want to be able to flex on people with Calvin. I want to be able to walk around and be all muscly and stuff. No, I don't want that at all. I just want to feel good and be able to do sports. I told myself that I wanted to be able to do a flat ground backflip on my 27th birthday, which is August 15th, 2019. So if I can do that, then mission accomplished. In terms of my other job, which is the marketing job at Crazy on Highways, if you guys could do me the hugest favor ever and go and, there's probably only a few of you watching this by now, but go and follow Crazy on Highways on Instagram and on Facebook. That would be so awesome, because I really want to hit 1,000 followers on Instagram before Christmas. I don't know if it's going to happen. We're just trying to figure out the system of like what our audience likes to see and everything, and growing our likes and that jazz. So it's definitely interesting growing something from not quite the ground up. The company's got a good base, but we need to take it to another level now, and I want to get it big. So yeah, that's pretty much my life. Freaking gym tan laundry. No, it's literally wake up, go to work, go to gym, and then come home and either watch TV or hang out or just go straight to sleep, because I'm gone for like 14 hours of the day. And this week I'll be installing some parts. I'm going to be installing new seats and a new head unit on the Beamer, so that's going to be sick. As you can see, I've got my steering wheel from the Legacy in here. I've got my likewise shift knob. I got a drift button, but I want to class this thing up and make it dope. So yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Hopefully this didn't bore you too much. I wanted this episode to be a lot more, but I wanted to make sure I got an episode out on Monday, and I figured I could just update everybody on my situation. Life is good. Enjoying life. I'm really happy with my situation and everything, with work and finances and friendships and everything. Everything seems to be going smooth, so can't complain. Hope you guys are doing well as well. Comment what you like to see at the bottom, and yeah, I will do my best. Thanks to all the new subs. That's awesome. Everybody who seems to be enjoying that SEMA movie, because it's about to crack 100,000 views, which is dope. Fucking sick. So yeah, see you in the next video. Pizza.